Alrighty guys, we made it to the airport. So we are leaving out of Raleigh and our flight leaves in like, or we start boarding in like 10 minutes. So then we will touch down in Orlando. Thank you. We're on the plane.
Love this woman here.
Good morning.
Good morning, buenos dias, Vienna, Florida.
We went and got coffee. The place was supposed to have cute coffee, but they didn't. But that's okay. We're gonna go get breakfast.
That's right.
At Panera, and
Panera.
then we're gonna get ready and board the ship. All right, we are boarding. And we got a balcony.
Hey, we got a balcony.
That's your vacation.
Just our first lunch on board. So he got mineral sunscreen.
Yeah, note to self. Unless you want to be white graffiti, don't get the mineral sunscreen. It's like literally, like I had to get my towel and like I was as white as this right here. Do not get the mineral spray unless you just want to graffiti your whole body white.
First dinner tonight. Because I'm platinum, we get matching robes to wear. is day 2 on the boat, and we got room service on our balcony with this beautiful view.
Or like beautiful view.
But we just got some fruit and some pastries, and then Sam got some cereal.
This is my favorite.
No, that's my favorite. Alright guys, so it is day 2 like I said, and we are just out by the pool. We don't really have any plans today. We're just gonna kind of chill and explore the ship some and just drink and relax. We laid out by the pool all day, and now we are cooked. But Sam is going to do a basketball shootout competition, so I'm going to watch him do that right now. So I will show you guys how it goes. I am just waiting for Sam to come and meet me, but I found the cutest little cabana. And it's so colorful. So I've just been sitting here taking pictures, waiting for him. He was just shooting some hoops after the competition, so just chillaxing.